Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda and we are gonna do a weekend in the life. It is Saturday morning. We just had a very slow moving morning. It's like 10:15 right now. I love slower mornings on Saturdays because it's really the only day that I do that. So anyway, we are actually off to the actual gym. If you follow me on social, you guys know that I have a home gym in the basement, but I don't have any like cables. So once in a blue moon, I do like to go to the actual gym to do like a back day and get some cable machine working. So that's what we're doing this morning. So got my pre-workout, got my fit on, ready to rumble. But yeah, I'm gonna take you through the weekend, have some things to do around the house today and errands, and then tomorrow, again, like our reset Sundays. Anyway, we're gonna let our eye patches marinate. I love doing eye patches in the morning. It just like makes me feel so much more awake and just like in it to win it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna let these marinate while we drive over there. It's about a 10-minute drive, and then we're gonna hit some back and biceps. So let's get going. Wow, okay, just finished our workout. That was crazy. I haven't been to the gym in like a really long time, so that felt really good and fun to like use cables, especially on a back day. Back up a bit so you guys can see me better. I actually have an IKEA delivery happening literally as we speak. As I was saying, I have an IKEA delivery happening like as we speak for some bookshelves. So we're gonna be working on that project today. I'm really excited. I'm kind of creating like a home office library on the main floor. So that is what our day is going to entail. Whoop. So let's get going and I will show you guys what we've started and then kind of like before and after type of situation. But yeah, today's gonna be full of home projects and just hanging around the house. All right, home from the gym. I actually just had a shake downstairs and now I'm just gonna do a little bit of skincare. I'm going to shower later because I'm gonna be building like a bunch of things from IKEA and getting all gross anyway. So I figure do some skincare now and then shower a little bit later. This stuff is so good, guys. I buy it, the jumbo packs at Costco because they're so, I just love the micellar water. Okay, so it's probably gonna be a little echoey in here because we have barely any furniture in here right now and no rugs, so that'll change. But this is what we've got going on so far. Everything is from IKEA. Like these are actually cabinets, like kitchen cabinets that I've just used, kind of like the Alex drawer style. I just thought these would be a little bit better for work. And then this is actually a laminate kitchen countertop. I was thinking about getting butcher block, like real wood, but so many people have told me that they don't last. Like they just don't last. Water really can ruin them. So if you put like a cup down, anything like that, you have to be really careful. So I thought, okay, this laminate actually looks really, really good. And it's just a bit more, I don't know, not necessarily durable, but just won't show as much wear and tear, I think, over the years. So that's what I ended up going with. And then I have 2 Billy bookshelves set up so far, and I'm gonna add one more here, one more here. And then I actually got the extenders to put on top of all 4, and then I'll eventually make it look a little bit built in. Yeah, that's currently what's going on. Right now we just have this in the window. We're not sure what to do with it. It's probably gonna go eventually, but it's just kind of chilling there for now. Old furniture. Yeah, so we have some work to do right now, but these are the new things that we're gonna be building today. So 2 bookshelves and then just tacking on the extenders. Thought I would give a little update on the progress. So this is where we're at. These fit like, basically these are Billy's and then we got the additional extender to put on top and they fit almost perfectly. So we're gonna just add some trim to the top and then the sides and make them look super nice and flush to the walls, but that'll be another day. The desk is also all done and we just need to get some I don't know if I want to do knobs or pulls yet, but on these cabinets. So that is another thing. Then we obviously need to get a rug in some decor, desk chair, all that good stuff. But I thought I'd give an update. Anyway, I am so excited. Like I can't even believe it. We've been working on this literally all day. The day has just flown by. Of course, my sister came over, so we were like yapping a ton. But the day just kind of got away from us and vlogging became second priority, of course, like always. I'm like trying to get better, guys, but bear with me. We did end up going out and we went to HomeSense and Winners to check out a few things. And then we also grabbed some dinner at Meltwich, which is like such a yummy kind of like grilled cheese sandwich shop. So we went there for dinner and now we're back and it's already 9:30. Like we just finished. We got back and we just decided to drill in the desk, the counter to the cabinets, just to like have that all complete. And now I'm like, okay, it's 9:30. I really should shower and just like get ready for bed. But I kind of also just want to start putting books in the shelves. So I'm like, should I do that now and stay up a little bit, or should I shower and go to bed? Like, I don't know, decisions. Maybe I'll do like a few books just to kind of start the process and see how it goes. I don't know. Good morning. It is Sunday and I was really hoping it was going to be a beautiful sunny morning and it's looking very overcast, which really sucks, but it's okay. So we actually slept until 8 o'clock. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to get a Sunday reset kind of started and then we're going to get ready for brunch. So yeah, that's kind of like what we've got going on today. I'll probably take you through most of today, at least a little bit of the reset. We're going to get some laundry going. And then also we do need to do some groceries after our brunch. So that's what's going on right now. Clearly hair is sopping wet. I'm gonna go make an iced coffee, I think, today. Usually I love my warm coffee, but sometimes in the summer months, I do like to switch to a really nice iced crisp coffee. So that's what we're up to right now. So let's get this day started. Delicious. We are gonna get started and get ready here. I had these eye patches on marinating for a little bit, which felt so good. Honestly, guys, if you ever wake up, I pretty well use the eye patches every single day, but especially on days where I feel like groggy and like a little poofy, it helps so much. So anyway, we have already washed our face, brushed our teeth, all that jazz. So let's go in with a little bit more skincare here. I've been really enjoying adding toner to my morning and my nighttime routine. I use this rose tonic one in the morning and I love the way it feels, makes my skin kind of have an extra layer of glow. It really feels great and I like the way it smells. Vitamin C, moisturizer. I keep forgetting that this finger has a broken nail and it feels so weird. Have to go get that fixed tomorrow. Monday nights I feel like are a really good time to go because I feel like no one goes on a Monday night. The IKEA skin tint has been my favorite for, I want to say, over a year now. This is my second bottle of it. I do need to get a different shade. This is ST9 Paloma, which is amazing for in the fall winter months when there's not much tan going on. But in the winter months, I definitely need ST10, maybe even 11. In the winter months, I wish. But nonetheless, to make it a little bit more bronzy, I add the True Match Glotion, and I'll just do it like on the back of my hand. Mix it up. Just gonna dot some of this on. Go in with some concealer. I've been loving this one from Sephora. It's called the Best Skin Ever Glow Multi-Purpose Concealer. It is a little bit of a lighter concealer, so not going to give you tremendous coverage, so I wouldn't use this on top of a blemish, but I am very fortunate right now. My skin in the summer definitely thrives. I will say that right now. I see far fewer breakouts in the summer months than I do in the winter months. Before we set that all in place, we're gonna do a little blush action. You guys know my absolute favorite blush. Honestly, like during the week, I mainly use my Benetint because I love the way this looks just for like every day. But today I'm gonna do a little bit more just because I'm going out for brunch and I don't go out often, so might as well. So this is Rare Beauty in Hope. Hope is just my absolute favorite shade. I just can't, I don't know. A little goes a long way. Unless you're using a beauty blender, then I think you can be a little bit more generous with applicate, like, you know, we've got some blending work to do here. So just take your time, like don't stress. It will blend into the skin really nicely, but you do need to put a little work into it. And this isn't even that bad. Like you know, you're seeing it as it's done. I have oily to combo skin, so I definitely do need to set, especially in the summer months. It honestly doesn't even matter. Like winter, summer, I'm oily no matter what. It does not matter. So setting is kind of something that I do need to do no matter what. And I like products that are super light on the skin, don't add like a lot and still make me look somewhat glowy, but not oily. I feel like I'm doing like a makeup tutorial. I haven't done this in like, what, forever? Oh, so fun. Going in with Hoola bronzer. I'm home alone this weekend and I swear every single noise, I'm like, what was that? What was that? I'm like, I don't know how I lived alone before this. Like, before my boyfriend and I moved in together, I don't know how I was doing it because I'm a scaredy cat. Okay, gonna jump off camera. This is pretty much the makeup. I'm gonna do my hair because it's starting to dry. Look how curly my hair is, guys. Like, I love it, but I only love it for the day of. And then the next day I'm like, curse myself because I'm like, why didn't I take the time to just blow out my hair? With working out and sweating and the humidity where I live, it's not easy to have my hair naturally because it just doesn't stay pretty. So I know a lot of people are like, you should wear your hair natural more often. And sometimes I do, but it is a pain in the neck for the coming days. So anyway, I'm gonna jump off, quickly blow dry my hair, and then we'll be back to get dressed. And then we gotta go because I don't have my watch on. It's 10:30 already. We're supposed to leave at 11 and this is gonna take me at least 20 minutes. So let's get going. We are running so late. I think my mom's here. Oh my God, my hair's done. We just gotta change.
And it's actually putting like a TV, you know.
Oh my God, it's so hot that it's fogging up the camera. Holy mackerel, it is hot out. It's 28 degrees, beautiful day, like so stunning. We are rushing like usual. I was in such a rush this morning and I felt so bad. My mom was literally at my door and I was like just finishing my hair. And so I quickly changed into what I'm wearing and thank God the outfit worked and we were out the door. Then we had a really nice brunch for my brother. It was his birthday this Wednesday, so we were celebrating him. Now I'm home. I'm headed to the grocery store, keeping on the Sunday reset. We do need to head out later this afternoon to do an errand, and it's like all the way in basically another city. Like it's pretty far. It's about an hour drive. So we're gonna be doing that later this afternoon. So I gotta rush and get some groceries done. Luckily, we don't need to do like a full haul. We're just gonna grab a couple things mainly for tonight. But let's get to the grocery store. It's gonna be so stinking busy because it's 2 o'clock on a Sunday.